Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, see the beautiful Angular 21 e-commerce demo, Amazon demo as well. And friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please post the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So you can see the beautiful demo like Amazon Angular 21 e-commerce template demo. See, let me show you the version as well. Go there and see the beautiful Angular 21.0.3. So latest version as well. To see the beautiful Amazon demo as well. So guys, I must say few things. I will come with more demos as well. And if you want any kind of demo, then please comment on this video. I will build and share with you. Let's go with this. The top section, the search, the countries, the beautiful mini cart section works well. See friends, the main hero slider, few links as well to the deal section, full section as well, best selling, the collection accessories section as well, Amazon live section, see guys, live deal, recent viewed section, and the footer as well. See, beautiful. So friends, like I said, I will share the course report link as well inside this video description. Guys, update, I will come with more demos. And if you will have any kind of queries, extra requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my Bitter blog, the rich post. Here's the contact us page. In this page, friends, you'll get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And friends, I am full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your project as well. See. Also, on my blog, you will get multiple free things for Angular, React, Next.js as well. See, there are lots of Angular stuff like Angular admin dashboard, e-commerce templates, and Angular code snippet as well. And all are free of cost as well. See, full demo, Angular 21 latest as well. See, dashboard, see friends, e-commerce template as well. So see, all of you as well, and free of course. So friends, this is it for today. And after it, and or I can say after end of this video, I'm going to make one more demo for you. So stay here, friends. I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.